Nisoingpa sakantikon changsathai Meghalaya News 24 na ramchakswa angatania aruyan dalni koborang. Adokni badeng chiwali chagabarangni chorangko adok sorkari champeinga ne Meghalayani Chief Minister Gacham aro Leader of the Opposition Dr. Mukul Sangma aganangaha. Dr. Sangmani agadani gitade MEECL baksa kam kaingpa adokni badeng chiwali chagabarang aro kontraktorangko jakal gija apalchini mandirangko sa kam kaaskaingaha.
In last 3 years, all our local businessmen, all our local entrepreneurs who were doing business with MEECL, who were doing business with different government departments, they have been slowly replaced by firms and companies from outside, indirectly robbing the business opportunities of our local entrepreneurs who have looked at entrepreneurship as a space for them for livelihood. And this does not augur well for the state, where the government has tough time in encouraging people to take entrepreneurship as a sustainable and viable means of livelihood. And unless we address this concern, people will always look for white-collar job and you will have a serious problem. That was the reason why we encourage our people to be an entrepreneur and look at entrepreneurship as a viable and sustainable means of livelihood, an attractive means of livelihood. And that is what has happened. But today I am afraid and I am also concerned because of the fact that all these successful entrepreneurs are slowly being replaced by business houses, by the firms from outside, and that does not augur well for our people and the state.
Me sa tarikoni, me chikung tarikona sal chikung na chpatenggapani gni gpa salko adokni mandirang namen maniangaha. Gari regaparang komian baksana banga dokanrangan chptokaha. COVID-19 sagabarang jelorobani gemen adok sorkari Shillong Tura Jowai Arori Boy ko sal chikung na chpna jakhu deaha. Adokni namgni na kam kana cabinet ni daito aka ne Dr. Mukul Sangma aganaha. United Democratic Party UDP ni aganani gita sera bera anirang dongani asel adok na namjainga ne nekode wamangba yako namatna cabineto kucholsan daito ko rae kam kana nanggen neba wa aganaha.
That the cabinet has a collective accountability to legislature. Therefore, if there is an alleged irregularity and alleged mismanagement resulting in compromising the interests of the state, or in other words, loss to the state exchequer, then the responsibility of such irregularity have to be, taken collectively by the members of the cabinet. Therefore, none of the political parties who are in the government can just shy away saying that, okay, they are not part and parcel of these irregularities. They are equally responsible for ensuring that the interest of the state is protected. And unless this is done, then they will be failing in their duty towards the state and the people.
Shillongi mandirangna nina nitogpa jakaranda pul bibal balingaha. Jakaranda bipangko adita chelkalaoni niode bijakrangko nekija purangko sa tangsingkopi nekayen. Ya bipangni bibalako nekken anceng dengkari sokbaha ne wina makna. Adok sorkari aro gepen rangoni jakdel onggepa dolsa inquiry kana nanga ne Dr. Mukul Sangma wiataha. Aro dengtang sera bera onganirangko sandirekatani jakman chusoke machodatna nanga neba wa aganaha. Power Minister ko ragalaya makmangchide mangmengka mongjawa maina dengtang sera bera onganirang sorkarina gemani ongkechmode warangna niam donga aro adokni niam geta kam katna nanggen neba wa agandapaha.
Everybody wants an independent inquiry which cannot be something which will be only for the purpose of creating a perception that, okay, inquiry has been done and it's just for the purpose of playing to the gallery. Therefore, the inquiry has to be by an independent agency which cannot be under the influence of the state government and the authorities. And at the same time, an independent inquiry which can ultimately have its logical conclusion after an exhaustive investigation of the alleged irregularities. Now, there are a number of instances of alleged irregularities in respect of implementation of number of programs by the MEECL. Therefore, the scale of the alleged irregularities, which is reflected in the letter submitted by the Honorable Speaker and the President of the UDP to the Chief Minister itself, speak for itself. It's a self-explanatory.
Chidaret jolo banga niamni apalo dongpa kamrangni keman khobor mansoi Resubel Para Police Station oni riangi Chidaret bazar ko red kaiyaha aro palna dongpa chu rangko bangi manba ha. Chu palengpa mandirangni gali khatkepa gari aro bike rangko police station nona rabatoka ha. Da ani koborang de yarangsan nisokpa sakandikon chingpaksa wahanina metela ya koborang ni gemen talbati winasko de chungi website megalayanews24.com moniko porinagata mangen grong tajana khengkheng plaknan angni nambegepa salamko na metela.